This was given to me by the seller for my consideration. Now, I did want to upgrade my battery operated frother for a rechargeable one. And this one charges with a USB-C cord. You can either use the one included with it or your own. Now, it does have several speeds you can cycle through, and it came with a little charge, but I went ahead and charged it all the way before my first use. So I made my regular cup of espresso in the morning. I tried this frother and was really amazed at how quickly it frothed up my concoction. Thick and creamy, much better than the other one that I had been using. Wow, I'm so impressed. And this holder looks great on the countertop and is super convenient.